Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you are here. My name is Zaria and I am a crochet artist. If you guys are already subscribed, thank you guys for joining me for another new video. If this is your first time seeing my face, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you. And yeah, so to my people who are subscribed and know me a little bit, as you can tell, I have moved to a new apartment. I'm so happy. I'm literally sitting in front of my bedroom window and it has so much natural light. My old place had like no natural light. It's just altogether a better space for creativity and posting content and stuff like that. So I'm so happy to be here. That's why it looks a little crazy in the background. Just bear with me for the next few videos while I unpack and all that stuff. Alright, so in other news, I did create a second channel because I do want to post lifestyle vlog type content, but I really want to keep this channel focused on crocheting because that is my main area right now. And I'm so glad I'm in a new space so I can finally start back posting a lot of content. I've been kind of slacking on the content because there's been so much going on. August and September, but now it's October. I moved into my new place, everything's good, and I can finally start focusing back on my content, and I'm so excited to be making more videos for y'all. Okay, so I think that's all the updates I have for y'all. Today is finally my 500 subscriber video. I know you guys have been waiting. I'm so sorry to keep y'all waiting so long, but I've been moving and it's been crazy, but now here it is. So today's video is letting my subscribers choose my crochet projects. So I did a poll a long time ago now, but I did a poll to see what y'all wanted to see me make for my 500 subscriber video, and y'all chose the ocean themed mermaid bag. I'll put a picture right here. And yeah, so today we're gonna be making it and I'm so excited. Oh my god. So I'm gonna start gathering some supplies and I'll meet y'all back here. Okay, well, here are some reference pictures for the bag that I'm gonna be making. Actually, I already have like a bag that kind of matches the theme, so I think I'm gonna just make the attachments. I know it's a little bit like, don't be mad at me, I know it's not cheating, but it's a little bit cheating because I'm not making the actual bag itself. But I already have something that I made recently that can fit it, so yeah, I'm gonna show y'all. This was a picture I put up on my poll. So you see, like, the bag itself is blue, and recently I made, oh, I have crochet hooks sticking through it. I made this blue bag, and I know the bag on there is like a mesh stitch looking thing, kind of like for like a blue. Ignore my charger, it's like very old. But I really do like that purple and white and blue, so I think that's what I'm gonna go with. Since this is already blue, I just need a different shade of blue for like the stars maybe. And I'm not exactly sure what I want to make, how exactly I want to make it, but I have some white, some purple. I think I need one more shade of purple and like one more shade of blue. Let's see. Okay, so I got some dark blue, some dark purple, some light purple, and some white. And then this is the color of the bag. I don't know, I don't have a, this blue might be too dark. I think I have like a more purpley blue. Okay, so yeah, I have like this cerulean color blue. This dark purple, white, oh, and then, okay, yeah, I like that better, okay, cool. I do have this fluffy white too, so I might use that as well. But yeah, let me pull up some tutorials so we get started. And as always, all the tutorials I use will be linked in the description. Okay, so I think I want to start with a seashell. It wasn't in the one that I showed y'all, but in one that I've seen before, I'll show y'all. You see the little seashell? I think that is so cute. So I'm gonna do that one first because I just found the tutorial. So let's get started on that. I think I'm gonna do it in purple. Okay, y'all. I started making the seashell and I don't know. It kind of looked like a seashell. I didn't watch the tutorial all the way through. I just started it and started crocheting. But I think we're gonna like outline it with yarn after, but I don't know. I'm not sure because I didn't watch the whole tutorial. But I'm gonna just trust the process. It's gonna turn out okay. Okay, I hope. So yeah, so as I'm watching the tutorial, she said this is like the end of like the base of it, and then we're gonna reverse single crochet around. I've never done that, but I'm sure it's easy, so we're about to see. Okay, y'all, so I turned on my light because it's getting dark in here. I went and put up my curtains in my living room, so it's been a little minute, but after the tutorial, this is what the little seashell looks like. I think it's so cute. I think I want to put it like in the bottom corner, like right there. Oh, dropped it. Hold on. Let me hold it this way. So maybe like right here. Oh, it's backwards. So maybe like right here. Ooh, that would be cute. I like that. Or this one. Yeah, okay. Let's go on to the next thing that we're gonna make. I don't know, maybe the starfish or the jellyfish. The jellyfish seems like it's gonna be the hardest, so maybe I'll go ahead and get that one out the way. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, hey you guys, I just got out of the shower. It's been a few hours. I showed y'all the seashell. This is how far I've gotten on the octopus. Not octopus. What's it called? Jellyfish. So this is like the top part, and I'm doing the other one in this blue color. So this is like the bottom, and then I think it's gonna have like ruffles around, and I'm supposed to like stuff the inside, but this is what we've got so far. I will update you when there's more done. Okay, you guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. I have this here because I just stuffed the inside, and I just have to close it up, and then I think I do like an edge around here. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. Okay, you guys, it is the next morning. I'm not sure how much I filmed yesterday, but I made the seashell and I started the jellyfish. I got the base part and I got one of the little thingies. I have to make 3 more and then attach them. So yeah, I'll be back when I do that. Okay, hey you guys, it's been some time. I finished this. This is how the little jellyfish looks. So cute. It came out kind of big because I couldn't find like my smallest hook because I'm still unpacking stuff. So, but I think I'm gonna make a little hanging thing and hang it on like the strap right there, and then have the seashell right here. Yeah, that's gonna be cute. There's not a lot of surface area, and I kind of made stuff big. So I think we're gonna go with like 2 stars, 2 starfishes. I don't know, but I don't know. I'm gonna find a starfish tutorial and I'm gonna get started. I think I'm gonna do the starfish purple and blue. I think I might do one purple and blue and then purple and white, and then that could be it. But I don't know, the jellyfish came out so cute. Look at it. But yeah. Hey y'all, it's been a couple days. I think I filmed that last clip and didn't even update you guys after that at all, but I will link the tutorial right here. But so I did end up making 2 starfish. This is what they look like. I used like fuzzy yarn around this one. I think it came out so cute. But yeah, I think that's all I'm gonna make because the bag is kind of small, so I don't want to overcrowd it. But I will show you guys. So we have our 2 starfish, we have our seashell little thing, And we have our little jellyfish. But yeah, I'm so sorry this video is taking longer than I expected. It's just with moving and everything. You know, when you move and every day is something new that you gotta do. Whether it's, I literally just got a washer and dryer. Like, that's just like too much adult responsibility. You know, I feel like an official adult because I just bought a washer and dryer. Like if you're buying a washer and a dryer, you're an adult, okay? But yeah, I'm finna flip the camera and show you guys how I'm gonna lay this out. Okay, y'all, I don't know where my like attachment is for my tripod to hold my phone, so I'm gonna just hold it with my other hand. I think I'm gonna do that starfish right there. I think I'm gonna do a starfish right here. Sorry, this is kind of dark. I think I'm gonna attach the jellyfish like onto the strap, so it'll be hanging right here. And I think I'm gonna put the seashell at the center bottom. And where's the other starfish? Oh Lord, hold on. Okay, found it. This is terrible lighting, but I'm just showing you guys what I want to do. And the other starfish like right here. And yeah, I think that's gonna be cute. Okay. I think I want to add maybe like some, I don't know if I have beads that'll look good right here, but I'm gonna see. I found these little beads, and I think I might add them to like the middle of the starfish. And I got these little lobster clips to add to the jellyfish. So let's just get to work. I realized I don't have any like thread, or at least none I can find right now. So I'm gonna try to see if I can do it with this bracelet string. Yeah. It was kind of difficult, but I did it. I think it's cute. I wish I had like a variety, so like one was big and two were small or something like that, but it's okay. I think it's still cute. And I think on this one I might just do like one single one. And yeah. Okay, I did the other starfish. I did like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little clear blue and a clear bead. But that's how that looks. And now this is how they look together. But now I'm going to attach the little clip to the top of this. Here's the jellyfish. It's a little to the side, but it's okay. And we're gonna put that right here on the corner. And this is how it looks. Okay, that's cute. Okay, let's attach everything else. I don't know if I'm tired or what, but I started off on the corner and this ended up in the middle. I don't know, we're just gonna go with it. It's fine. I'm just gonna do this a little bit different now. I made a little stitch on the thing to keep it from flopping around, the jellyfish, but this is what we're looking like. And then might just have our last starfish. I don't know if I'm putting it, I don't know. I feel like if I put it right here, this is empty, but if I put it right here, this is empty. I think I might just put it in the middle, so it's like a diagonal, maybe. Or I might just put it up just a little bit. I'm trying to see which way it'll go the best. Probably maybe like that, so it's like an arch. I think I might want to make one more thing. I don't know. No, I think I like it like that. I don't know, because I'm gonna do, I don't know. I think that, okay, I think that's gonna be cute. I think that's gonna be fine. Okay, y'all, I am officially done with the bag. Let me get all this up. This is what we're looking like. So I ended up adding a little white bow right there to like fill up some of that empty space. We have our seashell, we have our 2 starfish, and we have our jellyfish. Look how cute this is, y'all. OMG, I'm so happy with the way this turned out. So this is the final product. I am so happy with the result. If you guys watch my channel and y'all have been waiting for this video, I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for y'all. But like I said, thank you guys so much for 500 subscribers. So that's all I have for y'all today. As always, thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already subscribed. I will definitely be having more crochet content coming very soon. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.